Now come to the arrangement of different primary and the secondary reproductive organs in the male reproductive system of the human. So you first have to draw the urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder, and from this urinary bladder a duct arises and which drains the urine to outside. This duct is known as the urethra, and this duct opens at the tip of the penis, and this opening is known as the urethral orifice or the urethral meatus. As you know that in human being there is the pair of primary sex organs, and these primary sex organ, which is known as the testis, present inside the sac, which is extra abdominal. It means that present outside the abdominal cavity, and this sac is known as the scrotum. So this is the scrotum, which hangs in between the two thighs, and inside the scrotum there is the testis. So suppose that this is the pair of testes, and the outside of the testis there is a coiled mass of tubules, and this structure known as the epididymis. This is the epididymis. From the epididymis a duct arises and run in this manner and opens into the urethra. So this is the duct which comes out from the epididymis and open into the urethra, and this duct is known as vas deferens or the sperm duct because it carries the sperm. So this is the sperm duct or the vas deferens, which carry the sperm. And before opening into the urethra, this duct receives the opening of another gland, which is known as the seminal vesicle. So this gland is the seminal vesicle. After receiving the seminal vesicle, the sperm duct, this duct is known as this portion is known as the ejaculatory duct. This portion is known as the ejaculatory duct. So this junction, urethra as well as ejaculatory duct, this portion surrounded by another gland, and this gland is known as the prostate gland. And just below the prostate gland there is the opening of another gland, which is known as the bulbourethral gland, bulbourethral gland, or Cowper's gland. So three glands are present, and just below the Cowper's gland there is the origin of the male copulatory organ. As you know, this is known as the penis. So this is the penis, which opens through the, so this is the penis, and this is the loose sheath covering over the penis. At the tip it forms a fold and known as the prepuce. So this is the male copulatory organs known as penis. The tip of penis is known as the glans penis, and the opening of urethra is known as the urethral orifice. So this is the complete structure, and you find another additional structure here. This is known as the gubernaculum. This is the gubernaculum, and another structure which positions the testes. This structure is known as the spermatic cord. So this may be the spermatic cord, and before receiving of the seminal vesicle, the sperm duct becomes swell, and this portion is known as the ampulla. This portion is known as the ampulla. So this is the complete structure of the male reproductive system and the arrangement of primary and the secondary organs as well as the glands, how they are arranged. So the male reproductive system comprises of a pair of testes. The singular is TES, and the plural form is the TES. So a pair of testes present. So this is the testis, this is the testis. This is the primary structure. This is the testis. So this is one. This is the primary structure. This is the first organ of the male reproductive system. So the total reproductive system comprises of testes, then the vasa efferentia, which is present inside the testes, which may be the second vasa efferentia, and the third one is the epididymis. Fourth one is the sperm duct. The fifth one is the ejaculatory duct. The sixth one is the urethra. Seventh one is the penis. And the accessory glands. So three accessory glands are present. One is the seminal vesicle. The second one is the prostate gland. And the third one is the bulbourethral or the Cowper's gland. So the male reproductive system comprises of these 7 organs as well as 3 accessory glands. So can you tell me the function of the male reproductive system? So the male reproductive system actually designed for the performing of 2 functions. The first one is to production of the sperm or the gametes, and the second function is to deposit the sperm or the gametes into the female genital tract or the vagina of the female. So these are the 2 important functions of the male reproductive system, and such organs are arranged or designed in such a way that's why they easily perform these 2 functions. And there are the series of video regarding the male reproductive system. I will go one by one